Basically, I am a mechanical engineer. I've served in corporate world for last 8 years, and there was a personal need for me to learn yoga from right source. So then Kaivaladham happened. I learned yoga. I never thought I will make this into a career. Over a period of time, I realized that this is something I want to do in life. Got to know about this collaboration opportunity from alumni group, and there was a pool of interview with very senior teachers there. We got somehow selected after crossing all the barriers. First barrier was the country, Kazakhstan. When you hear the name, it rings a bell of Islamic country in your mind. Most of the people are apprehensive going there. Second challenge was the weather of the country because it is Central Asia and little on the higher side. So it was a cold country and we were traveling there in October. And third major challenge for me was my 3-year-old kid. I had to keep him away for a 1 month's assignment. So at Astana, we had our first yoga session at the embassy, and from there I traveled to Ekibastus. So Ekibastus is little on a northern part, so it was really cold and I was not expecting snowfall to happen on very third day of my trip. So that was really challenging for me. I worked with a Happy Yoga studio for 15 days. I took sessions for all the age groups starting from kindergarten and then the teenagers, youngsters and the old age people as well. After Ekibastus, I went to my next city, Konaiv. There also we collaborated with a local yoga teacher and a studio where I took yoga therapy sessions for teachers. Then I went to Almaty, which is the most beautiful city of Kazakhstan, where I got a chance to see the mountains and roam around a bit to explore the nature. There I addressed more than 200-300 people and collaborated with Pradnya Yoga and Kiran Institute of Yoga, which was amazing. After that, the last city was Kizilorda. The local yoga teachers took very good care of me. Being a part of Central Asia, this country had a dominance of Russia for quite a long time. People there can't speak English. I used to have translator with me. So another challenge of this project was the speaking and communicating with the students and the yoga teachers. As we were guided by Subodh sir, our main intention of this trip was to spread yoga in its true essence, authentic and traditional approach. And they appreciated our approach because this approach is lacking there. People there focus more on the asanas, and we got in that approach that from where the wisdom of yoga is coming. How sage Patanjali has written Yoga Sutras, how Hatha Yoga came into picture, and how is it more than the asanas. It was heartwarming to see how they are welcoming our tradition, and they were so keen to learn everything that I had to share. They were having so many questions also about their own personal practice, how to go about it in their own life. It was 5 cities, 30 days, 53 master classes, touched more than 1,000 lives. Overall, it was a mind-blowing experience for me. Not only the teaching, but more than that, learning. I was overwhelmed by the end of this project. I am very much thankful to my alma mater, Kaivaladham Lonavala, and ICCR Astana SVCC Center, Embassy of India, and of course Government of India. I'm really looking forward for such opportunities in future to spread the knowledge of yoga, what I have learned, how my life has changed after coming to yoga. I really want to pass on the message to all those who need it.